Hi there guys and guys, good evening to each every one of you. How are you all doing? It's been a while since I haven't my vlog la vlog la vlog a kind of vlog like this, sorry. Because my storage is totally full. So I keep on deleting it and then sometimes it wasn't able to lessen. I just really wonder why. And then the other day, yesterday, I've noticed that it's already 50%, almost half of it, of my storage is no longer full. That's why I am now starting to have my videos. I'm here, by the way, in SM North. I have some memory to cherish once again, to have some flashbacks. And so I supposed to watch a movie, by the way, in IMAX with laser. So this is the only day that I found out that SM North has an IMAX with laser compared to Mega Mall. So I've been curious. I thought I'm gonna make it. I'm some kind of a late, guys and gals. I'm late with 80 minutes, so I wasn't able to catch up the Superman in 3D version. That's why. So I just roam around in here and then I had some memories. So it's really some kind of a nostalgic place here in SM North. That's why. So and then I look for my favorite hangout casual restaurant, which is the what's this? El Pollo Loco. And then I've been asking some of the security guards, but some of them doesn't know the El Pollo Loco, and then some says that they don't have El Pollo Loco here. That's why. So there's nothing to do with that, but I have to go back in Cubao to continue my uploads for in Facebook. That's why. But I just want to feel the ambience, the atmosphere here before I go. And I've been thinking to eat somewhere else here, but I don't feel like to have them on my what's this? I don't feel like to eat except only for El Pollo Loco. That's why. So I have to. You know what? I really this stairs is so memorable to me because before I'm a jobless one, I always have my hangout here in SM North, and I always sit there. Sometimes I sat with what's this? My old friend Calvin Ray. Hi Calvin. Anyway, let's go upstairs. So I'm gonna go back now to Cubao. I'll show you. You know what? Lots of stalls already gone, and then there are some changes, but only McDonald's and some other restos are still intact. Especially this stairs still intact, and the other one in there also intact. I usually have my movie night out here every day, every night. There's the ticket, but it's already closed. They just closed by 10. I already said it, okay? So, take a look at that. IMAX with laser. And also in here. So sad. This one that I'm telling you, IMAX. Okay, and then I also noticed that the one that I spoke with, Mark, is no longer there because I don't know if it's still the one, but I'll just check it once again. The one that I'm telling you, Mark, is the one that I spoke with before on my blog, that he has cheated. Sorry, he's been cheated by his by her girlfriend. Anyway, there it goes. Bye for now. So, very sad. Very sad, but I'm smiling. Yeah, very sad because I wasn't able to have my movie night out for tonight. Anyway, I'll just try tomorrow. Bye for now.